On the occasion of 75th Independence Day, the staff members and parent representatives of PTVS English Medium School Andheri participated in the national anthem singing activity. Good morning, everyone. Greetings on the occasion of Independence Day. Today, I proudly take an opportunity to speak a few lines on our 75th Independence Day. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of India. This is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. It reminds us about the bravery and struggle of our freedom fighters. It is celebrated as a national festival in India. People remember the long phase of our nation's independence from British rule. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence on 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near Delhi's Lahore Gate. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with the national anthem, and flowers are also showered via helicopter. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith. In the center of our flag, there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. We recall the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji, and other daring freedom fighters on this special day for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Let us celebrate the glory of free India and uphold the pride and honor of being an Indian. Happy Independence Day. It is our privilege to salute our national heroes who made India proud with their fabulous performances at the Tokyo Olympics 2020.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तुम पे डरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तुम पे डरिए या मरिए चंद्रे
On the occasion of Independence Day, our fourth standard students enthusiastically participated in an activity, Our Great Leaders. Let's have a look at the glimpses of this activity where our little ones are paying tribute to their favorite national heroes.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Dia. I study in class 4B. Today I am going to share a few lines about the great freedom fighter Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a freedom fighter as well as a poet. She was a famous personality. Due to her poetic qualities, she was known as the Nightingale of India. After completing her matriculation, she moved to London to pursue her higher studies. The freedom fighters that inspired Sarojini Naidu to become a part of the Indian freedom struggle were Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gandhi and Nehru. In 1916, Sarojini Naidu took part in the freedom after getting inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. Sarojini Naidu actively took part towards in uplight and equality of women in the Indian society. Sarojini Naidu joined the Indian National Congress and went to become the president of the Indian National Congress. In 1947, Sarojini Naidu became the governor of the United Provinces, now known as Uttar Pradesh. On 2nd March 1949, Sarojini Naidu passed away while she is serving her governor position. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Nilesh Modka. I am in 4B. Now I am Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was popularly known as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahu Kanti in Madhya Pradesh. Dr. Ambedkar passed his matriculation in 1907. He completed his MA and PhD from Columbia University in America and studied law in England. He was India's justice, economics, politician and social reformer. He inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and worked for the right of the Dalit. Dr. Ambedkar left this world on 6 December 1956. The great work he did for India's will always be remembered by the country. Thank you.
Let us see the best wishes by our 5th standard students on the occasion of 75th Independence Day.
देश का सिपाही बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय
Now, let us watch Standard 1 students performing melodious patriotic song.
ಮಂತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಮ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಮ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ माईच्या मुक्ततेचा यज्ञधारा भारती त्यादला वीर देची जीवितांचा आहुतींनी सिद्ध केला मंत्र वंदे मातरम वंद्य वंदे मातरम वंद्य वंदे मातरम वंद्य वंदे मातरम